Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Venmo for Business, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Venmo for Business, start by opening the Venmo app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once you've opened the app, tap the Sign Up button. Provide your phone number to create a new account. You will receive a verification code via text message. Enter the verification code in the app to proceed. Next, fill in your personal information, including your name and email address. Create a secure password that meets Venmo's security requirements. After entering your information, tap Next to continue. You will then be prompted to set up your business profile. Select Business as the type of account you want to create. Fill out the necessary details about your business, such as the name and type of business. Enter additional contact information, including your business email and phone number. Next, provide your business address, including city, state, and zip code. You may need to link your bank account to facilitate transactions. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account information securely. Once your bank account is linked, review and accept Venmo's terms of service and privacy policy. After that, submit your application for approval. Wait for a confirmation email from Venmo regarding your business account status. Once approved, log into your Venmo for Business account. You can now start accepting payments and managing transactions through the app. Explore the features available, such as invoicing and payment tracking. Set up a business profile picture to enhance your brand's presence. You are now ready to use Venmo for Business effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.